Good job. That's a nice kick. Oh man! Guys, who wants the puck? Who wants the puck? Oh, Eddie! Don't give it away! Let's see it, Eddie. This guy's good. This right. Where's our red shirt guys? None of our red shirt guys are here. No more clutching and grabbing. Permit's coming up. Ooh, nice stick, Eddie. Ooh, nice jostling, nice jostling. Those guys are teammates, Matt and Ronnie. They won some kind of championship together. Apparently everybody here is related to everybody. Can't really make fun of anyone. Well, I still do. Rental. Nice, Weenie. Oh, Ronnie, right there. Good work, Ronnie. Way to go. Just block every shot. Got like a forward playing D. Oh, no D's, man. Anyway, that guy packs a punch. It's like 300 pounds, and he puts all his weight on the stick. Stick actually bends. Oh! Look at that! That would have beat me for sure. Wayne with the play. Runner. Alright, here we go. Oh, what are you doing, man? Here you go, Frankie. Skate up, guys, skate up. Let's go, Ching. So his last hack and grab. Look at that. Uh-oh. Don't let him go, don't let him go. Oh, you're right there. You're open. Oh, Eddie, you're right there. Eddie. Eddie gets a nod. Eddie is everywhere. Omnipresent Eddie. Two places in one. It's like got mutant powers, like Nightcrawler. Ooh! I didn't zoom up. I should have went in. Oh. Good party. Get a nice drink. Oh, stripped away. Here he goes, the setup. Nice bouncing puck. You got time. Don't give it away. Man up. Charm. Look at that green. Seriously. Wearing green skate laces. Wow. Instant. Okay. Could I have saved that? I don't think so. I'm not saving anything this year. This is a nice goal. It's like on this backhand side too. That's like not his first time he's done that. This pickup. Did it on me too. Oh, let's go, Weenie. Oh. Man, for a guy with no knees, scoring a lot of goals. Well, I got that. Turning with the breakaway. Oh, don't give it him! Oh, give him a 2! Push him down, man.
You're way too much fun.
Give him a nice cross. Let's go, Weenie. Ooh, that could have went in. I'd zoom in, but honestly, with you King on the ice, I can't afford to. Just gonna stay back. That's it. How many goals did I get? Sounds like 5-3 or 5-3 or 6-3. Oh, it's coming! Don't let him through.
No, not in his house.
I'm not making any saves. You got a puck? No, I want that one. I want this one. And change the puck and stuff doesn't go right. Oh, come on, guys. Let's use the pass. Get some Gorilla Tape on your stick or something. No, not Gorilla Tape. What is it? That's for... Ooh. Luckily, I haven't had to make this much space. Oh! Man, reaching still on there. They're gonna get you. Ooh, that fooled me. Oh! Winnie, lost the puck. Fix your knees, man. Let's go, Ronnie. Shy Ronnie. Well, that's a nice tip. Took it wide, that was nice. You can still on the ice? Oh, he's still on the ice, that son of a gun. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should have let that one in. That would have been a nice goal. Oh, here comes the rental. He's good. Go, Eddie, don't give it up. Oh, Eddie, don't do that. Oh my goodness! 2 guys! Oh! Who wants to give it away? Who wants to give it away? Christmas time on the white side. What is that? 7-4? I don't know. Anyways, I'm playing deep on Yu Ching because this beats the pants out of you, man. May as well not play in nets. You know? So, figure I play deep. Can't put it in. Can't keep you out. So, see how that goes. He's gonna figure me out sooner or later. Rental picks it up. Young Edmonton. There's Gretzky to... Oh! Lucky Charm! Don't let Lucky Charm shoot! Oh! See! Ooh! Don't lose it! JT! Gretzky again. Oh! Set it up. Oh, nice. Oh, don't let Lucky Charm shoot. Ooh, set it up. She's gonna set it up. Yeah, take it, Paul. All yours. So, me, Paul, and we. Thanks. Oh, shoot. Me, Paul, Wayne, Shane, we drink club sodas at night. Spring Club Soda's in the parking lot. I don't think we're gonna do it tonight because there's like a tornado hail warning at 9. Anyways, Spring Club Soda's. And I'm sure there's like guys. Yes, Weenie. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna zoom in on this. I'm sure they're thinking we're drinking beer. Shoot it! Oh my gosh! What's going on? Oh, D. Rentals coming in. Oh, all yours, Shane. I'm sure they're thinking we're drinking beer. Like open cans of beer in the parking lot. Gotta be. Anyway, security comes by, sees that we're drinking, does nothing, drives away. It's not just us, there's like all kinds of guys. We're all loitering in the parking lot. Doesn't do anything. So, I don't know. But anyways, Club Soda is awesome. Got no sugar. Tastes like water. No added sugar. 0 grams of sugar. Oh, nice Coke. I took a drink and zoom in on this one. Did that go in? Did that go in? That did not go in. That's it, Ronnie. You gotta stop him, man. Don't let him through. Don't let him through. That's so soft. Now he's clean up with the red guy. That guy, Hasani, holds the puck forever. Don't give it up. Shot goes wide. Here comes All-Star. Oh! Send him up! Send him up! Send him up! Oh, he's looking for ways. Oh, screenshot! Don't lose it, Ronnie! That's it. Telegraph. 3-on-1! 3-on-1! Oh, good run with the reach. Looking for help. Woo! Woo! Ronnie! Come back, Ronnie! Oh. Whoa. That one should have went in. Ooh. Oh no, don't lose it, don't lose it. Catch and grab. Catch and grab.
Sorry, Jeremy.
It's okay.
Good job, Jeremy.
I should have kicked the net before he shot it. I gotta make him shoot hard. This is ridiculous. Oh, did we lose a guy? Oh, we lost Frank. Lost Frank. Angle. Ooh. Standing up front. Oh, All-Star with the obvious. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Way to go, Paul. I didn't know what I was doing there. But can't let a guy reinscape score on me. No way. There's no way. Reinscape